Hello, welcome to the new episode from AdaPulse, the channel that brings you all the news and all the proposals within the Cardano ecosystem. So right now we're still sticking with Fund 7 as voting starts today. And right now we're talking about UpDev, which is short for up-to-date developers. And they want to bring ADA to the mobile money app in Africa. So stay tuned for this. It's a great one. It's by Alex Hamilton from the AdaPulse team. So let's dig in. Cardano and Africa seem to have been entwined from the very beginning. It would sometimes appear as if the blockchain itself had been designed with the sole purpose of helping develop the continent. However, there are still certain issues that must be resolved before full adoption takes place. There are many African citizens who refuse to receive ADA due to the difficulties they face in exchanging it for the local used currency. However, a startup company by the name of UpDev, consisting of more than 18 developers who work in the field of web, mobile and desktop applications, have a potential solution on the cards. What is it? Wallets and more wallets. As of now, there are several types of wallet that allow Africans to receive ADA. But as of now, there isn't an app which provides the opportunity for them to easily exchange ADA into their local currency. This is why the team at UpDev have decided to design a mobile app which will allow for the exchange of ADA into local African currency. This should hopefully remove some of the hesitancy which is currently stopping Africans from adopting ADA. Having said that, the adoption of ADA continues to grow across Africa, and businesses in the region will soon be required to offer a convenient way to convert cryptocurrencies into their local counterparts. Think of it like this. Salaries from abroad, transfers of funds from investors and sponsors, or general payments from abroad could all be received in ADA and easily converted into the local currency via means of the proposed ADA to mobile money app. This will help facilitate countries that don't yet recognise cryptocurrency as a usable daily commodity. So, how will it work? The user in question simply logs into the crypto mobile app and adds ADA to their wallet. Then they simply enter the amount they wish to convert. The salary app uses a script that passes through a stable coin, which will give the USD equivalent. If the user is happy with the conversion rate, they then enter a mobile money number. This allows the app to send back a request to the server, which plays two roles. Primarily, the request will take the ADA and transfer it into the central wallet. Following on from this, the corresponding amount, whichever currency, will be transferred from our mobile money account. All transactions will be stored on the blockchain. So how will this be achieved? The team will start by creating their own ADA wallet, plenty of those, and then implement the mobile money API, Airtel Money and Orange Money. The required wallet doesn't need that long in way of development time either. It's also trustless in nature. Now, if you're listening to this as a newcomer, trustless is a good thing. So remember that. The team has a fully planned roadmap for completion and execution, which we'll go through now. Step 0, proof of concept, up to 1 month of development. The team wants to provide a working proof of concept for Fund 7. For intensive testing by their developers and all members of the community, they will deliver a version that will work on the Cardano mainnet. You'll be able to perform payment and conversion tests without having to spend your ADA. Step 1, active development, up to 2 months. So creation of the crypto mob wallet with the possibility of sending and receiving ADA. Then a step 2, conversion solutions, up to 3 months of development. So that's a stablecoin integration for converting ADA to USD. Integration of the API of the first mobile money payment mode. Step 3, testing with internal users. Conversion of tests of ADA into local currency using mobile money already integrated. So, what's the cost? The team has requested just $14,000 to execute their proposal, which seems reasonably small price to pay for something that could potentially change the lives of millions of people. So here's the roadmap of how the funds will be allocated. Stage 0, proof of concept, up to 1 month. During this step, they will focus on the detailed study and analysis of the problem of exchanging ADA to local currencies. So they must follow these steps. They've got to have a detailed study of the problem, implementation of a basic architecture, and proposal of the graphic model to use. And the funds needed for that are $2,000. Stage 1, active development, up to 1 month. During this step, they will begin the active development of the ADA to mobile money application. And they will take these following steps. Development of the administration part, development of the user part, and the funds needed for that are $8,000. Stage 2, conversion solutions, up to 3 months of development. connection of the application with the first extension of Ada wallets that already exists, and implementation of the API of first mobile money operator, such as M-Pesa. Funds needed for that are $4,000. Stage 3, testing with internal users. First test of the application by beta testers in order to correct the first version of the application, which will be published. So the team is ready and confident in their ability to turn this proposal into a reality. The fact that it could and should lead to the adoption of Cardano or Ada across Africa and potentially the world as a whole should be enough to convince anyone to get involved. Now that's it for now. Details of this article can be found on the AdaPulse website, and I'll put a link to UpDev's website down below as well, and a link to their proposal on Ideascale too. So if you want to support us, please do delegate your ADA to Swag, Zod, ATM, but also please like, subscribe and comment below because it really does help us out. We are a new channel after all, and I'll see you again soon with the next Fund 7 proposal.